Hello everyone, you're welcome to Delicious Kitchen. I'm so happy to have you all here today. Guys, we are making super juicy oven baked turkey legs. You're gonna love this. It is so simple to be prepared and you are going to love the result and you're going to say thank you later. Okay, so let's get it started. So our dry rub ingredients are what we are making now. That is ginger powder, chili powder, thyme, oregano, rosemary, coriander powder, black pepper, paprika powder, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, bouillon cube, salt. So all you need to do now is to combine those ingredients together. You have to mix them thoroughly. Okay, just keep mixing. If you want to see the written recipe, please check the description box. Thank you. So that is our marinade. It is ready now. That is the turkey legs we'll be baking today. It is already washed, cleaned, and also pat dry. Yes, you can just use your kitchen paper towel to pat dry it, okay, so that it will be ready to be marinated. That is the turkey legs we'll be baking today. Okay, now all you need to do is get a knife and just cut it across the top, just give it some cuts. Don't cut it through, okay? we are not going to cut this into 2 or 3. No, just some cuts on top of it for those herbs to really enter into the turkey. That's why I'm doing this. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe now. Remember to like. Remember to turn on your notifications as well. Okay, I love to see you next week on this channel. Thank you. So let's keep watching. It's now time to get our mixed seasoning. Okay, it's now time to pour some on it. Don't pour everything. We need them later. Okay, first of all, fill those cups with those mixed herbs. Just fill them one after the other. After that, just start massaging. Keep massaging. You massage it. It's your meat. You're going to enjoy it. All right, take your time to do this and you're going to love the result. Okay, just massage it with those mixed ingredients. That's dry rub, and keep rubbing it, because the dried herbs is going to add super flavor to this turkey. Okay, you're not just doing it for nothing's sake. It's for you to get the maximum results. All right, so can you see it? They're filled with those ingredients. Now it's been flipped over. Now take some of those mixed ingredients and pour it on top of the other side as well. I still have some left. I need some later. That's why I said make sure you watch this video up to the end. Okay, now massage this other side very well as well with those herbs. You see, it is well marinated, heavily marinated with healthy herbs. Okay, that is going to make it super flavorful. That is how it looks after our dry rub. It's now time to get your olive oil or vegetable oil just sprinkle some on top of it. Just pour some on top of it. And just brush it with it, just a bit. First side is ready. Now I flip it over again. And with the olive oil as well, I'm working with it now. Just pour some a little bit, like 1 tablespoonful of it on it, and just spread it over it again. Now poke holes with a knife. You can skip this if you don't like it, but it's going to help those ingredients to enter well into this other side as well. You know, we give the other side some cuts, this side just with a knife, just some holes on it, okay? And yeah, that's all you need to do. Now cover it and refrigerate it. You can just leave it for 2 hours or more, or a day before this. The day before preparation, you can just make those marinade and keep it in the fridge. Yeah, you will love the result as well. And those are the vegetables I'll be working with today. I have onions there, I have my garlic, I have potatoes, and of course carrots. So they're already well washed. Okay, they are well washed. We just need to cut them now. Please, 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 if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Press your subscribe button, turn on your notifications as well, and like the video if you like what you are watching. Now I'm cutting the onions. Just slice it like this, or you can just cut it across just like this. You know, it doesn't matter. You just need to cut it. Either slice it or just cut it into 2 or into 4 or 5, 6, doesn't matter. Okay, now it's time to cut our carrots. So those are the vegetables we'll be using, and now transfer it into a big bowl. Okay, get your olive oil. Add 1 or 2 tablespoonfuls of olive oil into it. Mix everything together, and the rest seasoning. Okay, the rest seasoning is now what I'm pouring on top of the vegetable. Okay, and combine everything together as well. It looks yummy already, but we still need to bake it. Okay, so I can say they are all now ready to be baked. Okay, now it's time to get your tray. That is the baking tray I'll be using. I just put some oil on it now, and I transferred part of the marinated vegetables into the pan, and that is my well marinated turkey. For maximum result, the night before or early in the day of cooking is the best time to marinate your turkey, and just keep it in the fridge. You know, just refrigerate it, alright, till when it is time to be baked. So it's now time to bake this. It is ready. So all you need to do is just to get a tablespoonful of butter, 1 or 2. Let me make it that way, 1 or 2 tablespoonful of butter. I use just only 1. You can use 2, depends on how you want it, and just cover parts of the turkey with it, and of course parts of your vegetables. It's very, very nice. You're going to love the result. Now bake for 40 to 50 minutes under 200 centigrade. And guys, that is how it came out. That is the result. You are going to love this. You need to try this, guys. It came out super flavorful, and the butter helps crisp the skin. It's so crispy, and the taste of the turkey is everything. I can say it once again, it is everything. And you can see those vegetables there. You will love it. So guys, let's see how it looks inside there. Can you see what I'm having here? Oh, you guys need to try this. Are you going to thank me later? Are you still watching? Haven't you pressed the subscribe button? Please do so if you haven't. Remember to like as well. Look at it. I need to bring the camera closer so that you can see how super juicy it came out. Can you see? It is so juicy and tastes delicious. With those combination of those herbs, you need to try this. So guys, let me try this. I need to put this in my mouth now, and you can also join me. Get your fork, get your knife. We need to try this super hot, yummy. Which other name can I give this? And you see the juice that came out of it. If you desired, you could even turn it to a super gravy. Just chicken it up and use it as gravy. You're gonna love it as well. But this is how I'm going to enjoy this one. Come and join me, guys. Come and join me. Look at it. Oh, yummy. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.